Welcome back, our viewers, on this journey of the lake.This tourist circuit. Viewers, it's another beautiful day that we are exploring. We're still on the series, the lake.This tourist circuit, and today we want to take you on a nature trail whereby today it's more about adventure. So we do a bit of adventure. We go through some caves, we go through a river that has very beautiful sceneries, and then from there we head to a nature park. Stay Nairobi highway, and we're just taking a dive so that we go down to the caves. So come along as we show you the nature trail and be able to have some bits of adventure with us. Adventure is all about views, the serenity, the ambience, and the keeping fit as well. Alhamdulillah, it's a fikal, mashallah. This is nice. This is beautiful. That's like the view here is nice. Jambo, sabamba kwaje? Kwaje?
Twende.
Guys, you can see how beautiful or breathtaking this is. This is the gorge. So these are the effects of the Great Rift Valley. How the Great Rift Valley splits and it continues. There's still more crevices. There's still more that is ongoing. So yeah, come along. In here it's very cool. Out there the heat is like too much, but when you get here there's a very nice breeze. Oh yeah, let's see how beautiful the formation of the stones and the lime. Of course this is diatomite where they mine the lime as well, so there's a lot of it here. So beautiful. There's a cave in here, guys. So this is the cave. Let's go in and figure out what's in there. We have a small torch, so yeah, we're going in. I think in here the animals stay in here during the night. Yeah, as we can see the footprints. So let's go. Let's find out. It's so deep. Yeah. So guys, we made it to the end of the cave. This is where it ends. But here, as you can see, I think the animals that come here during the night. So right now, I think they're out there grazing, but we've been able to just see like some footprints, the impalas and all that. So yeah, this is breathtaking to just experience. I mean, oh, this sounds nice. That's a beautiful butterfly. This is where hey, that's nice. But scary. This is nice. I like the way there's a pattern that has been done. There's something that has been a very nice pattern, like going roundwards. It's like creating a nice entryway or a nice doorway there. But yeah, this is breathtaking to just to be able to experience. So yeah, come along, come experience these places. You will love them. another cave. I'm just going to attempt, I'm not going to go to the end, but I'm just going to attempt to at some point and come back. Yeah. So you need a torch. The dog or goat came in, fell, and it never made it out. Here. So that's where it goes, up to that end. Guys, I will not attempt to jump. I still love myself and I still love adventure, so I need to keep adventuring and wandering. So I'm not going to attempt to jump here. So that's why the caves are like this. This is where they come in, they're able to identify the lime, and then now they mine the lime from in here, so they take the nice lime and be able to go with it. And remember that this lime is, I'm told there's also, they're making like medicine out of it. The guys who are using gypsum and all that, this is part of like your gyprop and something of that. So it's for industrial use. Yeah. You have like arthritis, they've created, or they're making medicine using some of the components for arthritis and all that. Yeah. Guys, remember that this beautiful episode of the lake.This tourist circuit has been brought to you by Athens Real Estate and Surveyors. Oh, yeah, move here this side.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Hey, interesting story. Story come. Oh God. Now guys, I'd like to tell you a little story. I want you to focus on those small, you see those black, those two black and whatever, these two tiny, I think it's one and kind of hotel. See those two black, who remembers those ones? These tiny black, it's like an insect, it's like something, those ones. Now, here is the story. When we were young, we would go to the river to fetch water. But then I don't know where this narrative came from, whereby we would catch the insects and then put them on our breasts. I know, guys, yes, I know. Like, if you had little tiny breasts, so you're told you catch the insects and then you put it on your breast and then it will bite your breast and then your breast will grow bigger. So that's what we used to do. I'd go to the river, pick the tiny insects, and then they would bite your breast, and my goodness, it was painful. But my breasts never grew big. I don't know why. Anyway, that was my story of being stupid and young. Remember, guys, when you come, bring your good shoes. This area is so notorious with acacia trees, and therefore it has this kind of thorns, so you can get into your shoes. Just be careful and get your dress with your long sleeve t-shirts, so that now, because of they're called the fai, those ones, yeah, for your hands and all that. Yeah, so I also want to try to get down there. Let's see if we make it or not. Voila, we're right out here. Such a beautiful place. You can have your picnic here. On the way you can take your picnic from here and then just enjoy the sound of the river, the sound of water. It's so therapeutic. The views here are really breathtaking. But guys, I mean honestly, as much as we are looking for food and everything else, this is human activity, human encroachment towards the river. And as you can see, the river right now is like drying up. It's not like the water is not so much. This is not the capacity of the river. So yeah, I mean, yeah, we looking for livelihood and sustainability, but I think this is more encroaching the rivers and the environment, and then we have effects of it, and we've seen most of the effects of such. So yeah, if this was just been left in its natural flora and fauna, it's beautiful and therapeutic, but why would you want to till all the way to the bank of the river? And there's soil erosion that will happen, and in a few years time you find that, you know, you're being swept by floods and all that. Then you wonder why, but you're the person encroaching such places. Yeah, so let's stop human encroachment onto the natural flora and fauna. It's just so beautiful. Now look at this tree. I don't know how many years old this tree is, but this tree is literally it's been, you know, sandwiched between stones. Look at the roots, but then there's a river that comes, or there's water that comes through. So the shoots have, or the roots have never getting water, literally being fed from the water, from the river, and it's surviving. I mean, it tells you so much that however hard or whatever situation you're in, however hard it seems, be or blossom where you've been planted. This is literally the meaning of blossom, where you've been planted. So this tree literally has blossomed where it was planted. Yeah. That was such a therapeutic nature trail, and now we are heading to the lake. We're going down to the lake for lunch. It's going to be amazing, guys. Let me not burst the bubble. Just come with us and see how that turns out. your driving skills thoroughly. No? Hapa watu wenye mlienda hizo zingine hakuna kitu mnaona. This is a driving skills. And did I say that I trained how to drive using Land Rover, and that's why I love them and enjoy the Land Rovers. This was how I trained how to drive. So me love myself some Defenders. I'm not bothered about like the new machines, you know, the automatic ones. This is what I love doing. And there's some very beautiful development coming just right up here. You can just zoom and zoom to see. Some really nice development coming up here. So yeah, if you're looking to invest in Gilgil, Elementaita, for sure, this is one thing I can tell you, that it's one thing you will get right. And the people to get you there, Athens, Orange State, and Sabine. Started raining, so yeah, we have to fold our things, go back and see if we can be able to cook or we will not cook. Whatever happens happens, but we must eat. Lazima tukule. Hii moto itaenda chini ya miti. set up our little picnic lunch area, but God decided that He is going to bless us with the rain, and this is what we call the unexpected happenings of nature. So yeah, I mean, let's see how it goes. If the rain subsides, or we find somewhere to cook from. Sasa tuongeze hizi kuni hapa. Naona vile hiyo moto inanyonya vizuri. Hii moto imezima.
The video.
Yeah, so we'll enjoy ourselves here. It's a nice seat here. And let's make our lunch. We must eat.
No matter the sequence.
We must eat.
Yes.
And this is what makes it more fun, like the unexpected. The turn of events makes it interesting. Pilipili kwa mbali.
Kwa mbali. Pelicans. But I cannot see it. These are pelicans. Everything in the forest matters.
Very important. Hi, Nata. Oh, hi. Give me a soda.
We are not sponsored by Coca-Cola.
And we are not ready to sponsor them.
Yes.
Or Coca-Cola, you sponsor us.
Yes.
Yes.
hiyo pisa. Ndio nimesikia mimi sitaki kunywa na nini.
It's called improvising. When you're in the bush,
You improvise.
you think about everything else. That's how you make a tumbler.
Yeah.
That's how you have a...
Sorry, savana. Ni savana? Kama ni? Susu.
Whatever.
Whatever. Yes, it was savana. Suits.
Leta hiyo plastic kifuniko.
Because of the environment.
Yes.
It looks delicious.
And sometimes you don't even plan. Like this is something that just you wake up and then you think I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Then go ahead and do it. I mean, life is too short to be so perfect with everything else. Just enjoy life. Like appreciate the little things that you have or you come across. Find happiness in the little things. Yeah, like I mean, this is happiness. This is life. This is peace. This is... Our food is ready. It is so yummy. It is so sumptuous. I wish you could just come and taste. Iko na kapiripiri kwa mbali, some nice pepper. Really yummy. So we want our roasted pumpkins to be done, and we will enjoy the meal on your behalf. See how our pumpkins have fared. So first I roasted them, then now I cooked them. Yeah, they're almost done. Not so much, not so done, almost. Dakika kidogo. Some green tea. Some cardamom. the meal gets ready, as our tea gets ready, let's put in some work. Let's shed some fat. Yes.
Siafu. Toka hapo. Rudi.
Huko ni noma.
Na ndio hizi. Cheki hadi hapa.
It's about to go down, guys. Your yummy meal is about to go down. From the chief chef. It's done. Chief Ambati, done.
Yes.
Mama mjinga alimwambia wakati ya portable na imeoza joto. Anaambueusha na shetani.
Lava tufuate ile.
Na bila alinifuata nilipo. Mtaenda kulalamika saa hii jioni ngoje uone. Naambia mimi siwezi lipa portable kuna wakati imeoza joto.
Sasa naongeza nini?
Hizo ni dates tu ni za sukari. Just zinaitwa nini? Nini? They're not dates, those ones are called.
Na hiyo kirodi iko Nairobi.
Welcome guys to the lake.This tourist circuit experience. This is how it goes down.
Kameingia mzuri.
Ndio. Ndio vizuri.
Utanisamea. Utamije. Utamije kwa hiyo.
Try roasting those pumpkins. You will love them.
Hii roast pumpkin kwa content in the past one. Sasa nimeona idea.
It's worth the hassle.
Yes.
And you must enjoy this serene place. Can you imagine? For free.
It's available.
Yes. It's time to sweep the house. Such sweet tea. sawa, iko sawa, iko sawa.
My shikombe is burning.
Ui, imeshrink.
It shrink.
Gosh.
Edam. Manker my webcam. Thank you for the video. Thank you for that.
Thank you for exploring the Lake Elementaita tourist circuit with us, where nature, adventure, and opportunity meet. This series is proudly sponsored by Athens Real Estate and Surveyors, building dreams and shaping communities. And see you on the next adventure. Kwaheri.